We are live. It looks a bit dark. The lights will go on now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are we are back in the building. We are back in the we've got some lights. Welcome to the live trading gold tonight again. Let's see. I came to the market now and I checked what did NFP do today? What did the news do today? Not so crazy though. This is news. It was around 2:30 in my time. So this was basically news. You don't see it wasn't a crazy NFP. No crazy NFP though. I am currently looking at this level here, as you can see. The support is holding beautiful. So I'm just waiting for that support to see where the price will bounce off that support or whether we're gonna get a break at the support level. On the higher time frame, 1 hour time frame, we can see price is making lower lows and lower highs, right? Then we saw price broke up past this key area, came back, broke this key area now again. So that looks like a very strong 1 hour candle. If it's going to continue down, I'm not gonna trade it very far. This might be my next level right here, you know. But I'm looking to buy now only if we can get a break in structure, you know. So let's see. Yeah, I think the market is more bearish than bullish for now. So I'm now currently just waiting for the breaking structures before 7, still early. 10 more minutes, then we'll see what the market does there. All right, so now I'm just waiting for the break of structure. I'm looking to sell tonight. Um, you see, this is a strong resistance area here. So we're gonna wait for price to break through the strong resistance. If not, then it might just decide to continue going up, you know. But because it broke this, you see here, this candle, this red bearish candle broke through this key area 3240 here. So that is strong and it broke this low here. That strong momentum indicating strong bearish momentum. And also if you zoom out, you'll see all of this liquidity here a whole gap that needs to be filled. So hence I have a strong bearish bias. Let's see if we can get a setup. Good evening, Marius. You are so welcome. Hi, hi, hi. Good to see you again on the live. Okay, so like I explained now earlier, let me just bring this away here so we can be more space for us to see what's happening here. So I'm looking to sell for now. I'm just waiting for price to break through this resistance here. You check on the 1 hour. Um, price broke this key area 3240 and it hasn't fully broken the 1 hour, fully broken this low. But if it close below this resistance, then we're going to see a solid break. And that's based on that break, we're going to take the trade from somewhere here. And then I said I'm going to target these lows here. See, there's still a lot of room for us to trade. So let's see what it's now 10 minutes to 7. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close and next one to see what this price action will give us. It will either break right through this resistance or it will bounce off the resistance like it did here and then continue going up. So yeah, give it 6 minutes. Good evening, good day to everyone who's joined just now. We're looking at gold again. I'm just waiting for that break in structure. I do have a bearish bias now. However, I need confirmation. So I first need to confirm the break in structure. So I'm waiting for price to close now at 7. That is in 6 minutes time. Okay, that looks like a good break. That looks like a good break. All right, that looks like a good break. Starting now. 5 more minutes. Oh, sorry. All right, that looks like a beautiful, beautiful break. I would like for this candle to close at least below this wick here. If you can see this wick on the 15 minute, right? If price can just give us a closing candle just below this wick. Yes, there we go. Come on now. If price can close there, then it's beautiful. Then we're going to wait for the retest in our zone, and then we will ride the trend off. But now first we need to wait for that break of structure candle. Anything can happen while the candle is still moving. This candle can decide to close all the way up in here, then there's no break in structure. So first need to determine that the break in structure is actually valid. I'm not looking to buy, I'm looking to sell. Okay, so this I will wait for the pullback. My entry will be around because of that big stop loss. I don't like it though. I don't like the fact that the stop loss is so big because according to structure, my stop loss is supposed to be all the way up here, above these weeks. But let's see whether we can get a pullback all the way up here because I can in no way enter right here and the stop loss is up there. That is too big. So I don't really like it. I don't like it. It doesn't fit my risk to reward ratio style. Let's see how far the pullback's going to be. Ideally, I would like to fast to wait for price to come back. This is where I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna enter here around 3 to 30, and then my stop loss will be just above this candle here. So let's say here 3 to 30. My TP1, TP1 is right. Let's see here. That first low. Oops. First low there. 3215. And TP2 3217. And then the stop loss area will be 324.5. Right, so this is now what I'm currently planning. However, as soon as it gets close to 3 to 20, that is where I will enter. All right. Okay, so 3228 also looks like a good end. 328285, yeah. As soon as it touches this week here, I might also just put a early entry here once it pulls back into my zone right here. Retesting this week here. If it retests that week, I might enter also. But my other entry is at 3 to 30. That's where I want to enter actually. So let's wait and see how far this one is going to pull back that candle. The only tricky part is if you enter now, then when the price pulls back, your stop loss is going to be very high, you know. So we don't want to experience that. It's rejecting off the zone. Beautiful. You check how it touched the zone and how it's dropping. I'm gonna enter one position. Let's see. Let's enter. Okay, let's see. There we go. Price is now at 3228. So I'm in and it's heading now to 3230. Almost there. It's a good place to enter now. Here we go. Okay, so that's why I didn't feel comfortable with that entry because of this pullback, you know. You see, you never know how far that pullback is gonna go. And that stop loss is a bit big. But if you entered around 3 to 30, you are still good. If you entered early, then that pullback is devious. I don't like that pullback. I think I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close. I don't like the way gold is now pulling back. It is going to drop, but it first wants to go all the way up here, and I don't think I'm gonna sit in that type of drawdown now. It was NFP as well, so I'm not comfortable with this. I'll have to close now. You see something here. You see, it's retesting this high here, so hmm, why pulling so back? It's retesting too high now. I went in with a bit of a bigger size though. So I'm out. I was stopped out on that first trade. I was out, or I closed because I actually entered around 3228. So I'm out. But now I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen. It does look price wants to go continue going up. I'm just waiting now. That is now one of a hell of a loss day for me. It's NFP. I knew that this is something that could happen. The first thing is I said that the risk to reward is not good. It's not making sense for me because my stop loss needs to be there, and that's like 50 pips. It's not for the setup that I saw based on this break here. But if you check here, this week close right, this body of the candle closed right at this week here on the week. It never broke this week. So that was for me a fake breakout, it's not a valid breakout there. I took it based on this candle and look what is happening now. It's starting to break this high. So yeah, it is a loss for me. It is NFP day, so I am not gonna take a re-entry. Even if price comes down, I'm not gonna take a re-entry. I'm just gonna check and see how this trade is gonna play out now. Yeah, these things happen, it's one of those things. It happens. I'm trying to see why it is reversing in that manner. If you look at the higher time frame, uh I would say this one is still below, on the 1 hour you can see this candle close below this low. So it will come down, but I think it will retest this key area this week here now. It will retest probably around here and then tap into this zone here. Let's see. Yep. See, based on this candle here, it will probably reject off there before it comes down. So let's see. Now, these type of setups that happens during NFP when there's news in the market, like I said, you can see also the strong bearish candle here. This is also breaking structure. Let's see if it's gonna hold. It's testing, almost testing the zone here now. Let's see if it will hold. If it will hold. But I do still think price wants to come and drop down to 3205. That entry might have been a bit too early, so yeah, let's see. Okay, okay, that's a good rejection of the zone. I was waiting for it to come a bit up more, but let's see. Maybe let's see. The candle hasn't closed yet, so let's see. Oops. Check that is on the. That was now on the 5 minute. I can never. The moment it goes behind that one, I'm going to take it. There's so much room still for gold to drop. Come on, gold, man. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Just drop a bit more for us. We know you want to drop. We know you want to drop. I'm targeting for now this low here. Because it's going to come to this low and then it's going to pull back. So my TP is 3.2. My TP1 is at 3.223.8. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Now you're dropping. Ooh, that's beautiful. Beautiful drop there. One more drop, one more drop. That's much better, much better. That's more like you go drop now. Now we're up in profits. We'll recover all the profits we lost and make more and extra. Come on. Okay, so I'm currently looking at taking some profits here. Three, two, two, three. Good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That move is not done yet, guys. It's just the first half of the 15-minute candle. Come on, let's go. Here we go, here we go. One more drop. This price is gonna drop hard now. Here we go now. There's it now. There's it now. Here we go. Beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. If you are up in profits now, guys, take some profits off, eh? Take some profits off. We are up in good profits. Good profits now. Let's go. Yep. I am super. That is a super, super, super. Come on. You can drop more. Let me see. She can drop more. Let's see. I think I'll take that $800. Come on, drop more. You can see that price wants to drop more. You look here to your left here. See here the 30-minute. If it even breaks this low here, it's gonna go even down like I explained to you guys. See here. Just give it some time. Beautiful setup. Let's go. Now we're talking. Sure. Just go back to the 15 minute and see how things looking. Guys, this market is going to drop like crazy. I'm holding still. You see, there's like 50 minutes left on 50 seconds. I mean, sorry. If it breaks through this low, guys, then we hold for another. It's already 150 pips here, but we hold for another 50 pips. Same here. Then we can take our money. Let's go. But all right, we're starting to see a pullback now happening. We're just waiting now for price to break to continue going down. Sure, but that entry was fire. And that rejection candle, it was confirmation. The way this candle rejects off. It's almost 8 o'clock and we know what happens at 8. The market is going to drop like crazy now. Let's see, let's see. Let's see. Now that's the other thing, patience for to allow your trade to play out. That is, it is nerve wracking, but you have to develop that patience to wait for your trade setup to play out to your plan. Price needs to make those pullbacks in order to drop. Now just check here. Now we're talking. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I see a pullback coming. It's probably gonna pull back now, all the way up here, guys. This candle's gonna come all the way back here, retest here, this higher, and then only then it will start to drop. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. So we will have to be patient. My friend, you are too late. If you want to enter now, you are too late for me. For my entry, I already entered when price rejected from, like you can see that on that week. Once it touched my zone, I entered. So if you enter here now, I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna say yes. The only reason why is because your stop loss, my stop loss is all the way here. You will then have to determine your own stop loss, and I'm not gonna take responsibility for that. Is a bit risky to enter right now because I'm about to take profits here at 3,224 here around here at this line. So I just need $800, then I'm done. Come on, it's gonna drop now. It's going to drop further, but I am not going to say to you get in, or I'm not gonna tell you not to get in. You know, it's up to you. Come on now, gold. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, gold. Let's go. It's getting ready. It's getting ready to drop hard now. It's getting ready. Sorry. Gold is playing a lot tonight. It's playing so long. It's playing so long. Okay, I still have 10 minutes on this live. I was planning to be live at only 1.5 hours. It's now 1 hour and 20 minutes. Come on, gold, let's play out. I think I will take that $600. Come on. Don't know why my nose is acting up now. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. It's up 600. Let's be up 700. Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna drop now. It's going to drop now. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Why? It's coming around. Making it twice. It's It's wanted to drop now. I think I'm gonna leave it to run. I'm gonna leave it to run. Uh, let's go. It's going to come down. It's just gonna take some time. That means I'm gonna have to sit another hour on this live. Yeah, let's see. All right. 5 minutes before this candle close. Let's wait. Can you see on my screen? Because if you can see my screen, you can see I'm in a cell. That's the drop. That's the kind of drop that I was waiting for now. Let's go. Let's go. Like I said, I'll take some profits here at this low here. And I do, if it breaks, when it breaks, it's going to break this low and it's going to come all the way down, guys. This is one of those trades that's going to drop. All right, let's go now. A bit of it's 3228. Okay, there's still like 50 pips. 50 pips on the table left for me before I take that profit. See, that literally does gap here. It's like 47 pips now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. That's more like it, man. Sure, this was long, but it was worth the wait, I must say. This was long and this was annoying. This was annoying. Very annoying, but it was worth it. So, so worth it. Okay, just one more week for me to break here this week here. This is where I'll take my profit. Here we go. Beautiful. Let's break that week now. Broke the week. Now just a little bit. Push, push. More, more. Here we go. There we go. That's more like it. Come on. The last push now. Yeah, no, there's patience. The patience we've applied in this trade was worth it. Was really worth it. Let's go now. All right, I think I'm gonna take my profit, guys. I think I'm gonna take my profit as soon as it breaks that candle now again. I'm gonna take my profits. I just wanted to break there. I am good. It's $1,200. It's also making up for that previous loss that I took. So yeah, I'm closing. It was decent profits. That was more than enough. I mean, it was 130 pips from entry. For me, you can hold. You feel free to hold if you wanna hold. I do think price is still gonna come all the way down. Um, this is where my TP2 is. Like I said, I I just wanted to see price break this low, but it looks like it's gonna take some time still. I still have like 3:13. Okay, 13 minutes left on the live as well. So let's see what how the trade play out. Let's see, let's see. Oh, you see, it's going to drop still. Look at the 1 hour. Look at the 30 minute. See what I see here. Still room for it to drop. Come and go. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, then I'm also out. And I'll say goodbye for now until next week. I'm just waiting for this candle to close. This was a good trade. It's just annoying for the long wait and the playing around. But it was NFP today, so next week I'm looking forward to next week as well. And check after that rejection. Price never pulled back to that area again. After this rejection, yeah. Price dropped. It never pulled back again to that area. I think it wants to consolidate around here now. I'm not up for that to sit in that consolidation. I'm glad I took my money. I made up for those losses. Um, Let me see here. All right, guys and girls, I am going to say good night for now. I'll see you next week, Monday. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Thank you also for commenting. Yeah, we will be back trading gold again. Same setup, same strategy, same time next week. Yeah, and fill up those accounts. Let's trade together next week. I had a pretty good week, like a solid week. Monday, I took a great trade, a sell trade, very early London session, and I came onto the live. You guys saw my live on Monday. I took a win on Monday. Tuesday, we had a good day. The morning also. Um, Wednesday evening, that wasn't such a good setup. I think last night, the first setup was last night we had our stop loss got hit, and then I re-entered again, and then I recovered my profits and made even more. So yeah, it was a good week overall. It was a great week. I cannot complain as long as I close my week in profits. Um, let's meet each other next week again. Thank you for being here. See you on the next live. Bye everyone.